Hello guys, welcome to a new video. In this video we're gonna review Minolta 35 to 105 f3.5 to 4.5 autofocus lens. So you can see this is how the lens looks like, and I'm having this lens right now on Sony A58 camera, and this one is having the A mount, the alpha mount. So basically this is a Minolta lens. This lens was launched way back in early 90s with this kind of Minolta SLR autofocus camera. So you can see this is a film camera, but this is a autofocus camera, and most of these lenses were made for this Minolta cameras. And this one is a Sony SLT camera, and this one is having exactly the same mount. So all these lenses you can use on Sony cameras, and if you are having a Sony E-mount camera, you can buy an adapter and use these lenses and they would work perfectly fine, no problem whatsoever. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. So in terms of construction, it is a plastic lens, but the build quality is still quite okay, and it is not that big. Usually 105 focal length lenses are slightly longer, but this, even when I'm fully zoomed out, so it goes only up till here, and the focusing is pretty okay. It is it hunts a bit and it makes a lot of focusing noise, but if you have good lighting condition, for example if you are using with this camera in good light, it works. And if you are doing a manual focusing, then this can be a very good lens even when you make videos. So let me show you how the autofocus noise is like. So you can see it does hunt a bit and it does make a noise. So it is not the best lens when it comes to making video, unless if you are doing manual focusing. But for photography, this is a great lens, because guys, just see the aperture. When you are at 105, you have an aperture of 4.5. So that means you are getting more light and more out of focus background compared to some other kit lens which are having 5.6 aperture even at the longest end. So if you have a Sony alpha cameras, or if you are still having a Sony mirrorless camera, you can use this lens with the adapter. And guys, this is a full frame lens. So if you are having a Sony full frame camera, you can use this lens with the adapter. It will be doing a great job. You can get great out of focus background, and you get it very cheaply. You can get this lens for 50 US dollar or so. It is very cheaply available because it is a Minolta lens, but the image quality is still excellent. So now I'm gonna put onto the screen some of the photos that I've taken with this lens, and the photos looks excellent. I did not find any problem whatsoever. I really like the photos, and you can get very good background blur with this lens, guys. And now I'm gonna put onto the screen a video that I've taken with this lens, so you would be able to see in the video what kind of zoom range this camera can achieve. So from 35 to 105, how much close you can get to your subject. So right now I'm using the 35 to 105 lens. I'm going to try to focus on these leaves. Right now I'm at 35, and you can already see the background blur looks quite good. And now I'm gonna try to zoom in slightly more, and then you would be able to see how much more background blur I can get. So let's see how it looks. See, now things are almost in focus. I'm using the manual focus, so it is taking a bit of time adjusting the focus, but once it is in focus, everything looks so nicely. So right now I'm focusing on these leaves, and again you can see how nice it looks, everything blurred out, and the lens is really quite sharp. You can see the footage. It's a really nice lens. With the manual focus, it works like charm. So I like the results in the video. If you have something very tight on budget, then definitely you can go for this lens, guys, because 50 bucks is just nothing. If you want to buy some native glass for Sony E mount or Sony alpha mount, you would have to spend a lot of money, guys. Especially the E mount lenses are very costly, but you can still buy this old Minolta lenses and they would work just fine for photography. And in videography you can do the manual focusing if you want. It is always more desirable to do manual focusing in the video. Alright guys, I hope you liked my video. If you liked my video, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon, and don't forget to like and share the video.